What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I'm taking a break from making content for another channel to talk about some actually sad news that's going on here today. Let's get into it. So unfortunately, it looks like an employee at Stellantis, namely the Jeep Toledo plant on the JT side, where they build the Gladiators, was crushed to death, is what the news is that's coming out now. No name or identifying information has been released yet. They're probably trying to make sure they can get a hold of that person's family. Police are investigating, whether it was an accident or what the situation is, and there will be more details that come out on that further. And it sucks because I don't know what shift. I mean, I know that they got called at 1:55, the police did, but 1:55 p.m. local time is when the police got there. But I don't know if if this person is part of the people that might be getting laid off, and or what's going on. But my thoughts are with that family. That always sucks. And I mean, there's nothing I can say, and there's nothing that nobody else can say that's gonna make that situation right, But I had a couple people email me about it and say why I wasn't talking about it, and whether it's good, bad, or indifferent news wise, I know it's kind of like what you guys are watching the channel for, so I figured I'd cover it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.